All right, look at this amazing house. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a 2-car garage. It is just over 2,200 square feet, and it's for sale for only $335,000. Let's go take a look. You're gonna love the upgrades in this one, and they have a ton of storage. All right, so we just finished a quality assurance walk in this one. You're gonna see some orange paint here in a minute. But I wanted you guys to get a look. Look at this beautiful door. Rain glass for privacy, but you still have glass, so lots of natural lighting. This one's gonna have luxury vinyl floors throughout, so you don't have to worry about any carpet. Just nice flooring. Nice big closet. I know you can't tell because the door's not that wide, but it does go the entire width of this wall here. The painters are actually here now, fixing some of the imperfections that we flagged with the orange tape. So we're gonna see them in a minute, just ignore them, we'll keep going. This one, the tile goes all the way up. Nice 42-inch cabinet above the toilet there for extra storage. And this is a cute little area here where you could put shelving or something for extra storage if you wanted maybe shoe storage. You also have this area here. It's hard to see in my camera, but you have a nice area there right behind the door. If you wanted to put like little hooks or trim work, it would be very nice for that. All right, so let's go take a look here. You have a nice flex room. You could either use it for an additional bedroom or as a study. He's in here painting, making it beautiful. Look at all these cabinets, guys. We're not even going to the kitchen yet, but I just got distracted. We're going this way, but those cabinets are amazing. Coat closet, because everyone needs this many coats in Texas. But you do have a nice big closet here for extra storage. You have a mud room right off through the garage. Washer and dryer do come included. They're just not here yet. Nice area to hang. This one does have an electric dryer, but the house does have gas to it, so if you wanted to run gas here, you could. Here's another bedroom. Again, closet the size of that wall. Now look at this. This is my favorite feature about this house. Between these 2 bedrooms, you have a game room or a flex area. So you have a guest room here, and you have a guest room there, and between, you have this amazing flex area. It's perfect for the kids to play, for you to make it a stay-at-home office. If you do homeschool, If you do homeschool, this is a great homeschool area. I mean, even if it's just a workout area, you can do whatever you want here, and it's big. All right, let's take a look here in this guest bathroom. You have a double vanity, tons of cabinet space. You even have a cabinet here, 42 inches on top of the toilet. Look at how they took the tile all the way up here. You don't have to worry about any sheetrock water damage. They also put a cute little shelf there for you. So between that cabinet there and these cabinets down here, you have a ton of storage in this room. And over here, you have a 3rd guest room. Let's take a look here. You can tell where we did our walkthrough with the tape. The painters are here fixing all that now. Let's see how far this one goes back. All right, so that one's not too big, but it's not too small either. All right, let's go take an adventure to the rest of the house. So coming back here, that is your front doorway. You have a guest room up there. You have the flex room here. And then your kitchen and living room are right in front. So let's look at these cabinets. This is just amazing. All this extra storage on top of a kitchen behind me that already has plenty of storage. I love this stove. You're gonna have the 4 burners plus the griddle here in the middle. You have upper cabinets. A big, beautiful island here with an overhang for plenty of additional seating. You can see it there. It does come with a refrigerator, but it hasn't been delivered yet. And you also have cabinets above the refrigerator as well. And a nice little corner pantry here. Let's take a look at the sink. Big, huge sink. Nice sprayer. Extra cabinets there. Now this light fixture indicates this is where the dining room is. So you're gonna have a wide open floor plan where you have your kitchen here. You can be cooking, cleaning, and also entertaining. You can have people sitting here at the bar, people sitting here at the dining room table, and people watching the game in the living room all together. Let me give you another angle of that kitchen. All right. There is a covered back patio here. We'll go take a look at that in a minute. Right now we're gonna go in the primary bedroom. They've added a nice little bay window to give you about 3 extra feet here on the bedroom. Nice big bedroom, a king size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser fit with plenty of room to spare. You can even have a sitting area in the bay window if you wanted. And look at this closet. Lots of room in here. You're gonna have upper shelves, lower shelves. Another view of that beautiful bay window. All right, let's look at the bathroom. You're gonna have a beautiful soaking tub. Look at that, it's like an oversized soaking tub. Big stand-up shower here. And then you have your water closet area here. Extra storage. And then you have your double vanity with your big, huge mirror. All right, go out here and take a look at the back patio. Now this yard's not too big, so yard maintenance is going to be pretty easy here. And remember, we are in Galveston County, so we do have hurricane shutters. You will see these little pegs here on any house, either newer house or house with updated windows. That is a hurricane standard that you'll see. That way you can just easily install hurricane shutters. All you have to do is slide them on, put a wing nut, and you're good to go. Now this one is pre-blocked for a ceiling fan right there. If you wanted to add a ceiling fan, you could. But you do have a nice little covered patio here. You can see the wet paint there from their little touch-ups. You have plenty of room above your cabinets too. If you wanted to do extra decor, you could. Again, this is the hallway that takes you to the mudroom and to the 2 bedrooms with the bathroom and the flex room between. This is the study area here. And then this is the extra bedroom and bathroom here at the front. Again, you have a little nook here if you wanted to add some storage, or there. Let us know what you think.